Blast has built out a rep page that only reps can access with a bunch of different tools that are super helpful when you're getting started or when you need to find something really quickly. So how you access it is you just go to blastathletics.com/rep. And now this takes you to a page with a bunch of different features on it that I'll go through. So this first one that it takes you to is pay period. So since I don't collect commission, this says 0, but this is where your commission will be, as well as over here. And you can see when your next paycheck it will be. Donations is where you can see all your donations in real time. So if a coach is ever curious if a donation went through, you can always come back here and let them know. Monthly totals, again, this is where you can see total raised, total launched, and your commission. My leads is an important page because when you are getting new business or you're talking to a new coach or team manager, it's always important to have your personal lead form pulled up. So whenever you request a new person through that lead form, they're all going to go to this page. So you can find them all really easily on this one page and refer back to them and then contact them later on once after you've initially talked to them. My teams, this is also important because you can see what teams you're currently working with, which ones are set up. My schools, this is why it's really important to make sure that you are actually assigned to the schools that you want to work with or are planning on working with, because if you're not assigned to it, you won't be able to create the fundraiser for that school. So make sure that you send that list to someone in the office or Thomas, and those will be on that page once you're assigned. My fundraisers, here's where you can see all the fundraisers that you've worked with or are currently working with. Team content, again, you can see the content reports from different teams. Tools, here are a bunch of other little tools that'll help you if you need to find something quickly again, so you can go through these on your own. Flyers, so this is a really important tool as well because this is where you can find every single flyer or marketing piece that we've made, and they're all in PDF form here. So if you want to send one to a coach or to a parent, this is an easy place to find all of them that you can send. Now, the very top where it says SnapRaise fundraisers is also a very important list because before you go talk to a new school or a new team, you should be searching whether or not they've launched a fundraiser with SnapRaise or with us as well. So when you open that, it'll take you to this page. And from here, if you are trying to search a school that you want to work with in your area or a school that you are currently working with, you would just hit Control F and then type in the school name over here and hit enter or search all. And then it's going to highlight the school right here for you, and you can click on the SnapRaise fundraiser, see if they ever launched a fundraiser and how much they raised. So if you go back, now here at the bottom you can see school networks. There's just a bunch of different school networks on Blast. Assigned reps, same thing, you can see what reps are assigned to which schools. Band networks, club networks, they all show different networks on Blast. Tournaments is also a cool feature because this is where you can see any upcoming games or events that your different teams have posted or even teams that you're not on. Articles will show you different recaps from games, as well as MVPs, photos, videos, and the most important feature down here is best fundraisers. So when you're talking to a new coach or somebody you're trying to get on board with Blast, the best way to show them how the fundraiser works is to actually show them a fundraiser that's active or one that we've done in the past. So if they're ever curious, how well a baseball team did, you can go to this best fundraisers button and then find one of our top baseball fundraisers. You can show them how much they raised. This will take you to the fundraiser page and you can start showing them that. Sponsor analytics, this kind of gives you a little bit more detailed stuff about sponsors, and the last one is just top 10. So really utilize this rep page for any tools that you might need.